Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank with DIY LuxeShine. Today I got an awesome project for you. We are making stunning leather cuffs with some gorgeous bling. All the materials I'm using today are available at my Shopify store. Check the link in the description. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm using today is a leather band. You can find this in my shop, link below. Check out this leather wrist cuff. It's great. I've also got this gorgeous bling from DIY LuxeShine. Look at this gorgeous bling, guys. Gorgeous. Okay? It's going to look amazing on our cuff. Alright, let's get started with our leather cuff. I'm going to use EGOOO glue to attach the bling. Here's a tip. You don't want the glue come over the edges of the bling, so keep it nice and neat in the middle. This tab I'm using will stick really well, but I don't want any chance of it lifting off the leather. Since this is leather, I'm just pressing it down and gently move it around to make sure it sticks properly. So I'm going to center the bling right on the cuff. Look guys, look at that. Guys, look at that. And there you have it, a beautiful custom leather cuff with stunning bling. Is that gorgeous? If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out DIY LuxeShine for all your sparkling rhinestone supplies. You can find the link to my Shopify store in the description below. Also, follow me on Instagram DIY LuxeShine for exclusive content and updates. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome DIY projects. See you next video. Bye!